Mariah Voles here with Colin Inc., helping you do your business better. So today we have the Zoom BT Mobile Office headset. Now, what is the Zoom BT Mobile Office headset? Well, it's a Bluetooth headset device that connects to your PC and laptop. It can also connect to your smartphone. This headset comes with a base for easy charging and a micro USB cable to give it power. And that's pretty much it. There's a volume up and down button on the top of the headset, so you have your volume down and then you have your volume up. This is your multifunction button that could probably answer end calls. And then you have a 300-degree boom so that you can switch it from left ear to right ear. And then you have this really awesome swivel mic so you can really place the mic for the best comfort and sound quality. The headband is adjustable, so depending on your head size, you can make it fit comfortably. And that's about it for the Zoom BT Mobile Office headset. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.